Hello everyone, as we embark into 2022, I hope all of you are ready to take on the brand new year with renewed visions and goals. For the last 2 years, the world has been impacted by the pandemic. It has proven to be a challenge to all of us, yet it will look ahead. It presents a new opportunities. I remain confident in this. With good teamwork and great products, a challenge does not merely stay as a challenge. I believe it will lead us on and accelerate our growth further. I have been keeping in touch with our country leaders on the progress of each country. Let us stay safe and healthy as we work together to bring the company new high in this year. Thank you.